A few years ago, I was working for a defense contractor for the government. So, as you can imagine, they took security very seriously. We used to joke that you needed a security clearance to work in the cafeteria. Device management and network security was on an extremely strict schedule. Every week, we would do routine network scans, and there was a process for everything. New devices needed pre-clearance with IT and InfoSec teams. So new devices that showed up in a scan would have already been accounted for. Well, one day we got an alert that 5 unknown devices were picked up, and we didn't have any forms accounting for them at all. You have to understand how unusual this would be. We were concerned we had a national security incident on our hands. We were checking the logs from the weeks before, breaking up meetings, calling our satellite offices. No one could account for them. We were seconds away from shutting off the entire network. Turns out, the kitchen staff had just bought some shiny new internet-enabled toasters. Why would you even need internet for a toaster? The moral of the story: check your office kitchens for unexpected devices.